Welcome to the dawn of automotive excellence. Here, in the digital ether, a new icon of engineering begins its journey from concept to reality. Beneath the surface lies a complex network of components. Through X-ray vision, we witness the skeletal structure that defines its strength and agility. This is more than just assembly. It is the birth of a machine. Witness the precision of modern manufacturing in every single detail. Every great engine starts with fire and metal. Molten alloys are poured into precision molds, creating the heart of the vehicle's power. As the metal cools, the raw form is refined. Watch as high-speed CNC machines carve through solid steel with surgical accuracy and speed. Each piston and crankshaft is honed to perfection. These moving parts are the rhythmic soul of the internal combustion process, built to endure. Now, the structural foundation takes shape. Robotic arms engage in a synchronized dance, welding the chassis sections into a single, rigid unit. The strength of the machine is forged in these moments. Thousands of welds ensure the safety and performance required for the road ahead. Massive stamping presses apply incredible force to flat sheets of metal, instantly transforming them into the elegant curves of the car's body. Door panels, hoods, and fenders emerge from the press, perfectly uniform. Each piece is checked by lasers to ensure a flawless fit. Internal assembly begins with the engine, pistons, valves, and the crankshaft come together in a seamless mechanical puzzle within the block. Every bolt is tightened to exact specifications. The drivetrain and suspension systems are then integrated, forming the car's muscular undercarriage. Electricity is the lifeblood of the modern vehicle. Complex wiring looms are threaded through the cabin like a digital nervous system. Sensors and processors are linked, creating a brain capable of millions of calculations per second to keep the driver safe and connected. We reach the marriage stage. The complete body shell is lowered with extreme care onto the finished chassis, engine, and drivetrain. The union is perfect. Thousands of components now function as one cohesive entity, ready for the final touches of beauty and comfort. In the paint booth, robotic arms apply layers of high-gloss finish. The mist is uniform, creating a surface as smooth as glass. Finally, the interior is completed. Seats are installed. Glass panels are fitted, and the dashboard is brought to life with a soft click. The finished machine rolls off the assembly line under the brilliant studio lights. Every line and curve showcases the pinnacle of human ingenuity. A low growl echoes as the engine roars to life. The headlights flicker on, piercing the darkness and signaling the car's readiness for the road. From digital concept to physical reality, this is the future of manufacturing, a masterpiece of engineering, ready to conquer the horizon.